Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you have a great day and stay healthy. So in this video, I want to explain about food and beverage. But before that, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Tiputumalan Arnina. I'm from class 3D MBP, absent 10. Food and beverage. Let me start from food. So guys, if we talk about the food, I think we will image about noodle, fried rice, pizza, burger, right? And do you know guys what the definition of food? Food is substance consisting essentially of protein, carbohydrate, fat, and other nutrients used in the body of an organism to sustain growth and vital process and to furnish energy. There are 6 parts of classification of food, such as chemical nature, function in the body, chemical properties, mass, origin, and the last one is nutritive value. Let's start from chemical nature. According to the chemical nature, there are carbohydrates, vitamins, protein, dietary fibers, fats, and the last one is water minerals. Okay, let's move to the second classification of the food, that is function in the body. The first is energy giving. The carbohydrate, fats, and protein are considered as caloric nutrients so that the body can perform the necessary function. The second is bodybuilding foods. Foods such as protein, fats, and carbohydrate are also called as bodybuilding food. The third is protective foods. Vitamins and minerals are the nutrients that function to regulate body process. Well, let's move to the third classification of food, that is chemical properties. The first is organic. Nutrients that contain the element of carbon are called as organic nutrients. The second is inorganic. Nutrients that do not contain carbon element are called as inorganic nutrients. The organic nutrients include carbohydrate, protein, and vitamins. And water and mineral are inorganic. Let's move to the fourth classification of food, that is mass. The first is macronutrients are required in large quantities daily. Proteins, carbohydrates, and fats are nutrients. They are the basis of any diet. The second is micronutrients. Micronutrients are needed in small quantities. These nutrients are involved in regulating metabolism and energy process. They are vitamin and minerals. Well, let's move to the fifth classification of food, that is origin. Depending upon the origin of food, it has been classified as animal food source and plant food source. The example plant food are fruit and vegetable, and the example for animal food are fish and chicken. Okay, let's move to the last classification of food, that is nutritive value. That have 12 categories. There are cereals and meals, pulses, nuts and oil seeds, vegetable, green leafy vegetable, non-leafy vegetable, roots and tubers, fruits, milk and milk product, animal food, carbohydrate food, and the last one is condiments and spices. So let's move into a beverage. A beverage is a liquid for human consumption by drinking. There is a two classification of beverage. There are alcoholic beverage and non-alcoholic beverage. Alcoholic beverage has been divided into two categories. There are fermented alcoholic beverage and distilled alcoholic beverage. The example for fermented that's wine and beer, and the example for distilled alcoholic are vodka and whiskey. And the second is a non-alcoholic beverage. The example for non-alcoholic beverage is soft drink like a tea, milk, coffee, water, and juice. Okay, I think that's all I can tell you guys. I'm sorry if I make a mistake, and goodbye.